Today we're back with another hot episode. Today we're doing one of our favorites, hot fries. That's right. We're doing Chester's hot fries. We are addicted to these. He has a bag, Osito has a bag, I have a bag. We eat these all the time, folks. We're going crazy over here. We love these little boys. Have been eating hot fries since they were 2 years old. Wow, they're very strong and mighty. Yeah, so we eat these all the time. Hot fries! So let's take a look. Let's begin at 5X and let's explore what these incredible, amazing, delicious hot fries look like. Here we go, 5X. Whoa! Check that out. What does that look like?
It looks like strawberry jam and red hot sauce.
That's right. It does resemble those two. Strawberry jam and hot sauce are both red and gooey like that. Wow, that's interesting. Hey, wait a minute. We don't just explore around here. We also eat that. Who wants a hot fry? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have some hot fries too, folks. Let me tell you, these are
I'm gonna try it.
Alright.
Whole thing.
Oh, he's gonna eat the whole thing.
Me.
Whoa! This guy is 2 years old, folks. Let me tell you, he was eating since he was 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. Wah! Good. And let me drink some chips. No. These boys are really.
Excellent good.
They're excellent good, he says. Approval of a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old. What else do you need in this world? So there's 5X, guys. It looks like strawberry jam and a red hot sauce. Let's go into 10X. 10X, here we go. Whoa, look at that. We're starting to
Wait
see
a minute. It also has flakes on it.
some red hot flakes. You're absolutely right. I do see some flaky materials on it. If we look at the ingredients on these, folks, it says it has corn, cheese, more. Whoa, we have some strong babies here. Corn, cheese, onion powder, tomato powder, garlic powder. I'm not sure exactly what type of peppers they had, if any, because I don't see them listed on the ingredients. But all we know is they're Flamin Hot. So there's 10X. You can start to see some of the detail. Let's go to 20X and let's see what that looks like. 20X, here we come. There's 20X, folks. We can start to see more detail in that hot fried
Very
chip.
good.
That's very good? Wow! Very good. I know, tell me about it. Let me have another bite. We're eating like slobs here, folks. We're just eating hot fries.
Let's go to 50X.
Let's go to 50th, but check out how beautiful 20X is. There's little mountains and canyons and grooves and flakes and red material. Very fascinating, folks. He's right. 50X, here we come. Let's see what it really looks like. What is that now?
It looks like red
Red
lava.
lava.
It's like hot fries, red lava, volcano.
In some ways it is. Yes. A stretchy boy. It looks like a stretchy boy.
No, it doesn't.
Maybe it does.
It looks like glue, sticky glue. It looks like glue.
Like goo. Oh, maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. Who knows? There's. Oh, a printer. Okay. What was your favorite part of the chip?
I love that it was spicy.
You like that it was spicy. What's your favorite part of the chip? You like that little kitty cat? Oh, he likes the kitty cat. We can't forget about Chester. Chester, we love your hot fries. So there it is, folks. Thank you for joining us as we explore the hot fries. These guys may need a cup of water. Join us next time as we continue to explore the